Welcome again to A-4-35 Models channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in diorama products. Today, we are proud to introduce Kamizukuri product A-4-35 Hibiscus, a stunning 1/35th scale diorama vegetation straight from Japan. The A-4-35 Hibiscus is a meticulously crafted replica of hibiscus plants, perfect for adding a touch of realism to your diorama projects. Each leaf and flower is intricately detailed, capturing the beauty of these tropical plants with astonishing accuracy, whether you're creating a scene set in a lush garden or a tropical paradise. The A-4-35 Hibiscus is sure to elevate your diorama to the next level. The vibrant colors and lifelike texture of each piece make it a must-have for any modeler looking to create an eye-catching display.
Now, let us explain to you how to build it.
1. Please read instruction before assembling.
It is best to compare with real plants photo as assembling guide. 2.
When you're doing your model, you should in good mood and enjoying condition, otherwise you'll never accomplish your model well done. 3. This plant kits contains small part and not suitable for small children.
4. The tools that you should have are
A. Paints, watercolor, and acrylic.
Also use marker pen.
B. Brush, for detail #50 or #10 for painting number 1 or number 3.
C. Tweezers set. D. PVA glue.
E. Toothpick. F. Handicraft wire or similar material for creating branch and tree log.
G.
Putty or similar material for making bark of branch and tree log.
H. Modeler's knife. Painting guide.
Use only recommended paints, and use small amount of watercolor for making veins of leaves, if they are smooth. It is best to apply small amount of acrylic paint by dabbing rather than brush strokes on foliage paper sprue. Do not cut foliage from paper sprue before painting its,
or by using airbrush.
After painting you should hang it until foliage paper sprue completely dry.
Cutting foliage from paper sprue guide.
Only using a sharp modeler's knife, and tweezers if necessary, for cutting foliage from paper sprue carefully. Do not pull foliage from paper sprue as foliage might be tearing off. Please be careful when using with sharp knife, that it might be injure yourself.
Assembling guide.
Use tweezers for assembling the foliage to tree branch, or tree log, like coconut and palm tree. It is necessary to compare with real plants photo when assembling foliage to tree branch and when creating tree log. You should check where to place foliage before gluing and use small amount of glue with toothpick. At A-4-35 Models, we are committed to bringing you the very best in diorama accessories. And the Kamizukuri A-4-35 Hibiscus is no exception. We hope you enjoy adding this exquisite vegetation to your collection and look forward to seeing the incredible scenes you create with it. Thank you for joining us today, and be sure to stay tuned for more exciting product introductions and diorama tips here on the A-4-35 Models channel.